Salut tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Aujourd'hui, ma voix peut-être c'est un peu fêlée parce que je suis enrhumée, mais c'est le French Friday, alors je suis là pour vous. Récemment, j'ai regardé un autre film français et franchement, j'ai adoré celle-là. Pourquoi vous demandez? I'll tell you in a bit. First of all, this film, c'est un mélange de deux cultures, français et indien. I'm just un petit peu d'indien. Just to give you a little synopsis and a little background of this movie that I watched. There's this guy who lives in France, who falls in love with this girl, who wants to impress that girl, and then he comes to Kathmandu, Nepal, in India, and then he goes up for the climb to the Mount Everest, which everybody thinks is very surreal और पता नहीं हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा, especially his girlfriend, like girlfriend in his head.
Beau rouge à lèvres, tu t'habilles bien pour aller dîner avec le premier venu. D'ailleurs, je te l'ai pas dit, mais
Especially that girl he wants to impress, उसके दिमाग में ये होता है that he's just talking, he won't go to the Everest just for me, just to impress me, but he does. And what happens throughout the journey, throughout the movie, for that you have to watch this film and it's amazing, amazing, amazing. Je ramassais un petit peu des phrases françaises que j'utilise dans ma vie quotidienne, alors j'ai pensé que you also can benefit from that whole list that I have made. Alors, without any further ado, without sneezing, allons-y, shall we? Okay, starting up with the first phrase which comes right in the beginning of the movie, which is Il se réveille en sursaut, which means that जैसे हमारा अलार्म बजता है हम एकदम से घबरा के उठ जाते हैं कि क्या हुआ है. So that is how you can use this phrase. Okay, next phrase is depuis un mois et demi, means since 1 month and a half. Je prends l'escalier et ça fait les jambes, which means that I have been taking stairs since a month and a half and it has actually given some strength to my legs and hence I can climb up the Everest. This is the practice or this is the answer he used to give to everybody who used to ask कि क्या practice करी है एवरेस्ट जाने के लिए, like you are following some regime or quelque chose comme ça. Mais il a juste pris l'escalier pendant un mois et demi. Et c'est tout. Pour une fois, je vais être bon à quelque chose, which actually signifies that how desperate he wants to prove to other people that he is worth something. Okay, another thing is that he comes into a verbal contract with this channel on radio that he will share every part of his journey throughout his climb to the Everest with that radio channel, and that channel will share his news with the whole of France, his community, his neighborhood. So this is the deal that he made before leaving France, and whenever he used to get some time on his hands or some connection, because as you go up the mountains network itna nahi aata, so it was very interesting to watch the whole movie climbing और क्या क्या problems आती है. And after that you won't believe, I ended up watching quite a lot of Everest climbing expedition. I watched plenty of videos on YouTube. How do you say that there's this person who's very close to my heart en français. Okay, so when this person is asked why for whom you are doing this and why are you going to the Everest all the way from France to India and then the whole journey, then he replies, je fais ça pour moi, pour ma famille. भगवान कितना टाइम हो गया फ्रेंच बोले. And then he replies, je fais ça pour moi, ma famille et pour une personne qui me share, which is for one person who is very dear to me, and that person is that girl. He just tells his mom that I am going to the Everest for this. मतलब उसकी फैमिली में सबको पता होता है कि ये उस लड़की को प्रूव करने के लिए जा रहा है. तो उसकी मम्मी इज लाइक कि अच्छा ठीक है, तू माउंटेन पे चढ़ेगा या माउंटेन तुझे चढ़ाएगा. तो वो इस फ्रेज को किस तरीके से फ्रेंच में बोलती है, tu vas aller à la montagne, mais c'est plutôt la montagne qui te marche dessus, like in your face. Okay, now I have one question for you जो मैंने मूवी देखते हुए नोट किया था. there was this phrase which I could not exactly understand. So that's where you come into the picture. Let me know कि इस phrase का क्या meaning होता है. Je suis pas une planche pourrie. I'll write the whole sentence right here, and if you know and if you can search and ask some reliable sources, let me know in the comment section below. And that way we can all increase our knowledge of French and try to converse a little bit more of français. Même si c'est dans le commentaire, c'est pas grave. Okay, next one is Je te roulerai une grosse pelle quand tu reviendras. Il a eu une oh, this is like a tongue twister. Il a eu une idée à la con. Il a eu une idée à la con. This is tricky. Il a eu une idée à la con. Okay, so this guy, when he reaches up to a certain level of his climb, and then the people around, they come together to have some food and drinks and everything. So he's asked if he wants to have like a beer or something, and then he's like, no, I'll prefer the tea, I'll stick with the tea. So you can say je vais rester au thé. I'm going to stick with the tea. I've been drinking a lot of hot water, spiced hot water. So my favorite would be okay, let's try and say that in French. Du curcuma avec du gingembre, un peu de cinnamon. I need to check. Cinnamon को French में क्या बोलते हैं भाई? Cannelle. मैं दोनों चीजें mix कर रही थी. Je préfère un peu de curcuma avec du gingembre et un peu de cannelle dans l'eau chaude. That's what I prefer. Et après, ça commence à être sérieux. Next phrase is c'est du délire, which means it's crazy. Next one is, as I said, that he makes a deal with the radio channel before leaving France, and hence this phrase, which is scotché à la radio, which means everybody is glued to their radio stations, because the RJ says that nobody is going to work, nobody is a person, a boss, because they all want to listen to your stories and how you are doing in India and the mountains and the Himalayas. So everybody is leaving the work and listening to you. If you are liking this video so far, agar yahan tak dekh liya, we can say tout le monde écoute sur YouTube quand c'est le French Friday. See, we implemented the new phrase that we learned, and this is how you enhance your vocabulary. On ne peut pas les flouter. Okay, next one is va déverrouiller un iPhone avec une moufle. Moufle is mitten. So when all the RJs are sitting together and they are just having a good time talking about this guy who goes to the Himalayas, and then for like 3-4 days he's not able to contact the RJs and tell him about his the whereabouts. And after that, when he calls and all the RJs are chit-chatting कि उसने phone क्यों नहीं किया होगा, so one of them says go and try unlocking an iPhone with a mitten, like with a glove. If you have watched till here, garde la rythme and try to use all the phrases that I have shared in this video. Maybe in the comment section, try to make a phrase, sentence in the comment section. गलत होता है, doesn't matter, just try. मेरी भी कितनी गलतियाँ होती हैं when I'm talking fluently in French. Don't hesitate, just try and make phrases en français dans le commentaire, and we'll just correct each other along the way. Alors, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, leave a comment down below dans le commentaire, and share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Till then, you know what to do. Revez, bousculer et explorer. Et j'ai une surprise à vous donner, mais il faut attendre. Bye bye.